Hello, it's John again, and first of all I need to apologise. The weather's changed, it's raining. I can't do any drone footage, so therefore no roof inspection. We have a property here in Lomsey, which is on 2 plots, total size of 3,135 square metres. There is a well in the garden. It's a derelict property, but it's well worth restoring. Beautiful stone basement in 2 parts, which could be joined into one if you required it. The property itself is quite strong. It looks like there may be a couple of leaks in the roof, nothing major. Woodwork is in good condition. To restore this, you'd start by removing all ceilings and remove the mud render from the internal walls. You wouldn't plasterboard property like this. You'd use a var render and keep it as similar to the original as possible. This is a good investment, although it looks in a bad way, which it is. The garden's overgrown, but the property itself is there and the bones are strong. Next, for those that have actually joined my membership, it's a good idea you make contact with me and tell me what I can do for you. There's not much point in joining and not making any contact with me at all. There's a direct email inside the membership area. Look forward to hearing from you. That's it really. Enjoy the video.
Hello, good day. I am in village Lomtsi and I like to present to you another little treasure here in Bulgaria, but that house needs immediately a work. Have a really large garden. You will see the exactly square meter in the description, but by my eyes is about 3,000 square meter land, and will be hard for me to present all the garden because it's left in this state more of 15 years, and the garden is a big and a very grassy. I will try to show you in a minute everything. Here I have a fabulous 2 big stone basements. I will show you more in a minute. Take a time. Hello again. I will try to take a walk up to that beautiful, you can see it from both sides. We have a nice wood oak stairs, and here bring you down so you can visit the basement. I will try to take a walk on them and to show you. This house is the old style built from stone, wood construction and mud bricks and hard render. You can see the state of the garden, how grassy is, but it's nice. The house is sitting at the end of the village, and you can take a look with me. No much neighbors around, beautiful views around, and how I mentioned to you, the garden it's big. Upstairs this house have 3 rooms, and here was having a nice wooden balcony which is gone with the years. Only the door still sitting there. The floors are matte. The roof have leaks, someone need to take care of, and I can't show you another view from here at the moment because it's all really grassy. You can look at This window is supposed to look at on the side of the street. You can see where is the electricity pylon there. But the road is quiet road, no cars passing. It's very tiny road where the all asphalt is gone on it and the grass catch it all. Here is the hole. You can go up into the roof area. This is the second room. Have a specific angle into the room here. It's not a straight wall, and this is a chipboard sheet which come off because the roof have some leaks. Here's the windows from that room where you can look at on the side of the garden. And the last room, the door, it's old and it's stuck. For me, it's impossible to open. To can I show you? For this, I will using the little Bulgarian window, which is into the wall. To can I show you over there? How look at. Even so old and left so long alone, the house is still sitting really strong on the earth. Look at that fabulous big beams oak, and how the Bulgarians been dragging them from the forest, cutting them with not special shape and just added them. And from this side down on the floor you have a wooden stairs again to go down, and from this side again you have a stairs to go down. I will show you first the little basement. In the little basement you can pull down the middle wall which split the two basements, and you can have a fabulous huge stone basement. Look at that beautiful stone. Nice big pieces stone. All the base of the house is stone. That wall, if you took it off, you will see in a minute. I will go on the other side of the house where is the other exit for the basement, and you can see how big and large space you can make it. The ground floor only with beautiful stone walls. I'm gonna show you now. Hello, it's me again. We are in Lomsey, nice big village with few shops, school, nice mayor, little bars, just 15 minutes away from Popovo town, 20 minutes from Razgrad town. And I tried present to you this beautiful gem house which no one maintained it more of 15 years, and the character is here. A beautiful stone base having. I've been upstairs already with you, and in one of the little basements on the side, and now I'm going to show you the back of the house. Hopefully I'll be able, yeah, look at that amazing stones there. Are beautiful stones. But the garden is jungle and is big, about 3,000 square meter land. And this is the other huge basement where you can pull the side wall which split the basement on two parts, and you can create a really nice kitchen diner area. You can see here in the past the animals been living, but you can convert this into a beautiful cozy home. The roof need maintaining. This is the wall which I mentioned in my previous video. If you pull down, and you will have a really a big room downstairs, which in the summer will be amazing cold, and on the winter beautiful warm. Look at all these huge beams which the Bulgarians been take it from the forest when there was built all these nice stone base houses. Look at the wall, how thick it is. You have a 50 centimeter thick walls. I'm going to show you on the side of the house have a little a joy building with extra 2 rooms where someone can create if he want a extra accommodation or more space, rooms or little guest annex for your guest. It's windy today. We try to enjoy the last nice sun light and warm just before the autumn time heating. As here is the outside tap. That over there is a well, but I can't see any water in it. This is that little joy building on the side, and you can see it is have lights from the ceiling, and we're coming into one of the rooms, and from this door on the back have another barns and another buildings, but I can't reach there. It's hard for me. I will try to show you a little bit if it's possible through the hole, but not very good. Their look need to be demolished there on the back. And here you have our 3 little cherry trees growing from the floor. How I already mentioned to you, the house no one maintained it from very long time, and there on the wall have a little drawing of someone. I don't know the year, but it's still there. And the house is good for living because this is the proof. A nest for swallow birds. That are the nice birds which bring the spring in Bulgaria together with the stokes. And this is the view into the garden. I apologize for the state of the garden. It's hard for me to can show you, but this what I can tell you. The garden is flat and it's not hilly garden. If anyone decide to cut the grass, I promise I will come and take a new video so you can imagine. But the house need lots of work. This is for sure. That is from me for today, from village Lomtsi. Lomsey is nice village, by the way. Here I have a few expats, nice mayor, nice locals, and friendly people. If you think this can be a project for you here in Bulgaria, come and take a look. Contact us and we will be happy to show you. Have a good day. And one more time, I can show you this beautiful, charming house and village Lomtsi. Outside on the street, have a nice views to the valley. I hope I'll be able to reach to can show you. And how I already mentioned, the house sitting at the edge of the village, and it's not no one passed around, sitting on a little back road over there in the garden. I managed to find the little gate, and there is the little gate between the trees, and this is the rest of the garden. And I will try to show you the outside view. And the road, and there is the house into the bushes and the branches. That was from me, from village Lomtsi. If you wish to see this property, come and book a view with us, and we will be happy to show for you. Have a good day. For the records, we managed to open this door for that room, and now I cannot show you the room because see, before a little while I was not managed to open, and I'll show you a video only through the little broken window, but now I can show you more. And here have additional buildings on the side which are in a very poor condition, but you can extend in the property further down. I will try to show you a video from the back of the house.